Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Ngrok on Kali Linux 2025.2. But the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Open the default browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Ngrok official website, that is ngrok.com. Now hover mouse on this get Ngrok, then click on download. See here you can download, but we must have the auth token. So for that we must log in. Okay, go back. So click on sign up. Then you have to provide your name, email, and set the password for this one. So this email. So whatever the email that you are providing, that is the username or login name. Okay. Then you have to select this accept and click on sign up. That is the way. Okay, I have already signed up. Then go back. Click on login. Then click on login. Not now. See, I have successfully logged in, and also see here in the left side getting started, and it selected setup and installation. Okay, so here also it selected agents Linux. Scroll down. See here, this is the auth token for me. It is not same for you. Okay, see here we have three options to installation: using apt repository method, download, and snap method. Okay, download means we have to download and install. I am going to install by using this apt repository method. Before installing, first the prerequisite is we must have the Apache web server. So open terminal and verify whether we have the Apache web server or not. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, Apache is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start Apache 2. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, Apache service is started. Also enable the service. Sudo systemctl enable Apache 2. It is enabled. Check. See, Apache web server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Control A. Now install these commands. So see, this command contains 4 steps. So copy all these commands. See, it is going to update the packages and install Ngrok. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Ngrok, and see here version of the Ngrok is 3.23. We can also verify the same Ngrok -- version. See, we have installed Ngrok 3.23.2. Okay, Control A. Now run the following command to add the auth token to default ngrok.yaml configuration file. So click on this copy button, go to terminal, paste it. It is not copied. Control C. Select this entire command, right click, copy, paste it, hit enter. See, auth token saved to configuration file in this direct. Okay, and this is the name of the file. Now deploy application Ngrok http, give the port number 80, hit enter. Now copy this forwarding link. then go to new tab, paste it, hit enter, click on visit site. See, if we got this Apache default page, then we have successfully installed. Okay, now we will create the sample HTML file. Go to new tab, cd where ls cd www ls, go to this HTML folder, cd html ls. Now create the sample HTML file. Sudo vi welcome.html. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then give HTML tags. Just give header tags, welcome to my channel and please subscribe. For more tutorials. Close the tag. Save the file, $WQ exclamation. We have successfully saved. Now go to web page, at the end give / welcome.html. Hit enter. See, it is HTML. Hit enter. See, whatever is there in this file, that is displayed. More welcome.html. See, whatever is there here, it displayed. Okay, now we'll see what will happen if you stop Apache web server. Sudo systemctl stop Apache 2. Hit enter, verify the status, sudo systemctl status Apache 2. See, Apache web server is 7 seconds ago. Okay, now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, so Apache server must be up and running. So start it again, sudo systemctl start Apache 2. Verify the status. See, Apache server is running. Reload this page. See, we got the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Ngrok latest version, that is 3.23 on Kali Linux 2025.2. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.